To create text to image in Canva, on your Canva homepage, come over to Canva AI here, and from here you will see the sign that says image. So it's asking you what will we design today. So you're designing with the AI to generate your image. You want to click on image, and from here you want to click on the quality of you want your image to have. I'm going to use Ultra, but it uses more AI units. Let me just paste my prompt. And also I'm going to choose the aspect ratio for my image from here. You want to choose what aspect ratio you want your image to have, whether it's 4:3, all this aspect ratio. So but the default is 1:1, which I'm going to leave it on. And you come over to style. You want to select what style that matches what you're going for. I would allow it, do it automatic. I will not select a particular style. Let me see the output. And if you click here, you can actually schedule when you want this task to complete. We'll click here to submit our prompt for it to generate our image. It is done generating our image. You can see the images is generated. If I click into one, it opens up the interface and I can swipe to see all the image. If I go here, you can look at the image more in detail. Let's go back here. These images are very beautiful. So if you want to upscale or boost your image, you're going to click on boost resolution. Let's do that. So it starts to boost the resolution of your image. And let's see the resolution of the boosted image. Our image is better than what it was before. So from here you can choose to download it by just hitting this download sign here, or you can choose to use it in making a poster with Canva AI, or you can create an Instagram post with it, or you can just open in the editor and begin to use it. Whichever one you want to do is actually your choice, and you can actually open it in chat. So let's open it in the editor. So it's opened in the editor. Now you can see it here, and it shows the size of documents to work with. From here you can continue to design and make edits to your image. And if you want to see the images you generate at any point, if you go back to your home and you come over to more here, you're going to come to more. You want to come down to Dream Lab. This is where you're going to see all the images you've generated using Canva AI. You can see them here.